Guys, Saturday morning, I'm going down to Tijuana to pick up some seats that I left to get refurbished. I'm restoring my 1972 Impala. I'm completely redoing the interior myself to save some money. So I'm gonna take out the old flooring. I already took out the old seats. I'm going to pick them up right now. I'm just gonna take you guys through my little trip, through my little project. We're dropping out the kids. Our plan was to leave at 7. We're a little bit behind. Saya, she's staying home too. She's gonna be staying home with grandma. Alright, we got gas. Let's go. This is where people forget how to drive. Alright, we made it into Tijuana. Got a truck full of shit, but we're here. This shit humbles you coming out here. No joke. We live good on the other side of that border. Yeah, made it. Just a little spot off the street. What's up, man?
Patrón, mira nomás que chulada.
Wow.
Atrás era cambiamos triple A.
Wow.
Era cartón quebrado.
Sí.
Pusimos triple A.
Ok. Se mira bien. I like it.
Original.
¿Cómo le va el 200 llenos, nuevecitos?
Sí, ¿eh? Dang.
¿Verdad?
Look good, huh? Okay. We got about a 3.5 hour line right now. But on the good note, we picked up my seats. Back there. Woo! Looks so good. It's worth it for me, but Jade's having a bad time right now. Unfortunately. I love you. I love you. Alright, that's it. Now we're just gonna go home, put these seats on sometime next week. This is what it's like. And then everybody hitting you up, trying to sell you something, trying to slang you something you probably don't need. Like churros. Love how they came out though. Alright, so we're gonna do the trunk next, but look at that. Show you guys what I'm working with. Right, that's the new carpet. We gotta change this out. Put some 80 mil noise reduction paper underneath. Self-adhered. Put the seats back in. Nice little transformation coming. This is all shit I'm dealing with right now. I really need to take my car to my house. 400.